I'm headed to a close to the Loop, West Loop location that has great proximity to restaurants, nightlife, shops, and public transit for a tour of one of the apartments at Presidential Towers. I'm in apartment 1007, a one-bedroom in Tower 2, looking south. A wall of windows, sills on the windows to set your plants to soak up that southern sun. A spacious living dining area here. Plank flooring throughout the living areas. Pass through into the kitchen. One of a variety of finished packages at Presidential Towers. This one has quartz counters. Undermount stainless steel sink has a gooseneck faucet with a spray attachment. It's an espresso tone cabinetry. 4-burner electric range, built-in microwave and dishwasher. Looking at the entryway, there's a wide closet. Pantry closet, directly opposite the kitchen. Bath. It's a wide vanity with an integrated quartzite sink, bank of drawers for storage, tub shower combination, and then there's a walk-in closet. Good hanging and shelving space. Bedroom is carpeted and really generously sized. Wall of windows looks out to the south. And there's another wide closet. It's a spacious one bedroom with an unusually large amount of closet space. Presidential Towers has a close to the Loop, close to dining and nightlife location. Variety of apartments with varied finishes, extensive amenities. Definitely want to have Presidential Towers on your must-see list. Head to Presidential Towers' website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.